Hello and welcome to the lecture series on economics of growth and development. In the previous class, we have seen the concept of poverty as well as the different types of it, that is absolute poverty as well as relative poverty. In today's class, I'll be talking about the international poverty line. So let's get started. So international poverty line is a monetary threshold, mind you, it is a monetary threshold under which an individual is considered to be living in poverty. Now this monetary threshold, let us assume that it is say $1. So any individual who is earning a day, I am talking about this is per day. So any individual who is earning less than this is considered to be poor, or this is the aspect of looking at poverty from the monetary threshold point of view. So let us look at it. How do you calculate the international poverty line? So the international poverty line is calculated by taking poverty threshold from each country such that the value of the goods needed to sustain one adult is given and converting that into dollar terms. So you have to take the threshold, which this is the threshold which I was talking about, before converting this into dollar terms. You look at all the poverty thresholds from different countries, given the value of the goods needed to sustain for one adult, and then you convert that into something called as the US dollar. Why US dollar? Because it is a vehicle currency and most of the things are reflected in dollar terms when you look at it from an international perspective or a global perspective. So this is how you calculate the international poverty line. Furthermore, what is the current value of it then? That is again another question which should pop up, and the current international poverty line is at $1.90 per day. So any individual who's earning less than $1.90 per day is considered to be poor. So this is how you look at the international poverty line. Furthermore, you have to be cautious when you look at the international poverty line. What is the note of caution? It is the calculation does not take into account what it is not taking into account. It is not taking into account the access to sanitation, water, electricity, and the underlying effects these parameters which I talked about, that is access to sanitation, access to water and access to electricity, will have on the quality of life, is not monitored when I am looking at the international poverty line. So it is only talking about the threshold which is given or which is computed by the poverty thresholds coming from all the countries, such that it is it is given in terms of the value of goods needed to sustain for one adult, and then you convert that into dollar terms. So this is the note of caution when you are looking at international poverty line. Now the another important question which should come up to your head is that who is setting this international poverty line? So therefore it is the World Bank who is setting the international poverty line. So now since we know what is the concept of international poverty line, how do you calculate that, what is the note of caution, who is setting it, let us have a sense of, or let us understand what international poverty line particularly means. So it was originally set to roughly $1 a day. That means international poverty line, when they initially set it, that means the World Bank, they consider that it should be per dollar, I mean $1 a day. So anybody who's earning greater than this was not considered to be poor, to be very precise. Furthermore, the World Bank set it at periodic intervals. Why this is done? Because the cost of living, that is the cost of food, the cost of shelter, the cost of clothing changes, and as a result of that you have to set it periodically. So the thing which I talked about currently, it is $1.90 per day. This is talking about the prices which were computed in 2011. The prices of all these things are taken from 2011. The base year or the base prices are 2011. So that is how you computed this value, 1.90 per day. So this is how you look at it. Furthermore, in 2008, so when it was updated, now initially or originally it was set at $1 a day. Furthermore, in 2008 it was updated to $1.25 per day to be called, if at all you have per day income to be below that, then it was considered to be poor. Furthermore, it was again updated after 2008 in 2015. That is how you get the current value, which is $1.90 per day. I have already talked about what were the underlying prices. The prices were taken from the year 2011. So when you take the prices from 2011 and compute the value of international poverty line to be 1.90 a day, this leads to something called as 900 people are living below the poverty line in the world. So this is how you look at poverty line from international perspective. You also have the federal poverty line for the US. On the contrary, you also have poverty lines for India as well. So in the upcoming lectures, I'll be talking about the Indian context. So please stay tuned. Thank you.